Solving inequalities is much like solving equations. We need to make sure that we keep it balanced as we can by doing things to both sides of this inequality. I'm going to subtract 2 because I see adding 2, but I'm going to make sure I do that to both sides. This track is to make sure we keep the sign pointing the exact same direction at every step of solving the inequality. Later on, you're going to see how that can possibly change, but for now, we're just going to keep things the same. Positive 2 minus 2 gives me 0, so since that gives me nothing, I'm going to let them cross out. I want this because my goal is to get the variable by itself on one side. 9 minus 2 gives me 7, and I'm actually finished since I have the variable by itself and a whole number on the other side. Now, I am able to write this as 7 is greater than or equal to m, but this is actually going to confuse me much later when I have to graph it. So it's better to flip this so that my variable is on the left side. If you keep your variable on the left side, then it will always tell you how to graph it properly. So now it says m is less than or equal to 7. Notice how the inequality symbol has flipped so that 7 is still greater and the variable is still less than. So now that I've written it that way, I can now graph it so that all possible values of n can be equal to 7, but must be less than or equal to 7. This is a graph showing me all possible values for m less than or equal to 7.